Can you? I'm sorry, Bella. Even our friendship has its limits. I don't get it. I was nothing but nice. Plus, when we were little kids, Charlie was a jerk to me. If anyone should know why, he should know.
Right there.
Maybe you're too much for him done up like this. A little too. I mean, ever? You're the one who told me to get dressed up? Yeah, that's my me. It's like Charlie has something against me. Do you think Sawyer knows what it is? Let's ask him. Sawyer, get out of the refrigerator. Come in here, please.
Are you done with your girl?
Why would they happen
Movie starts in 5 minutes.
Not yet.
Like in the lobby.
Bring me a bachelor later, Sawyer.
I don't watch that. But if you're not supposed to again for me,
Like I mean,
I'm
right,
thinking
Okay, I need to know. Does Charlie have a problem with me for some reason?
Oh, most definitely. Also, let's go.
No! What do you mean Charlie most definitely has a problem with me?
I think you know why, Bella.
I do not know why.
Okay. It happened at my 9th birthday party. I was about to walk out with my cake. That thing was amazing. It was shaped like a hot dog, but it was actually a cake. Mustard was lemon, the ketchup was raspberry. Like I was saying, I was walking out when I heard Bella.
Okay, then
This is the best party ever. I'm leaving. Where's everyone going? Bella left.
No.
Everyone went with her. What a fuck killer.
That's good stuff.